Hello, my name is Parker Jones, and this is my math quiz demonstration. So I'm just going to go ahead and run the application here. Okay, so it's just building now. Okay, so you'll see on the top left, we got my own custom little image there. It says Parker Jones Math Quiz. We got the time left, and right now there is no values there. Bottom right, we have the date as requested. We're going to hit start the quiz. 30 seconds is counting down. We got our math problems, so let's just real quick do that. 41, B6, 9 times 5 is 45, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So now it stops that timer of 11 seconds. It says you got all the answers right. We can hit OK and it resets, or it stays there so we can see what the answers were. Start the quiz. Now I'm gonna not answer the questions here, just so we can see what happens. We'll let the timer go all the way down. Once it hits, I think 5 seconds, it should turn red in the background of the timer, and then once it hits 0, it should show us all of the answers and say that we didn't do it in time. There you go. Now it's in red. 1, 0. So now it says time's up. It says you didn't finish in time. We hit OK, and now it shows us the correct answers. So there you go.